Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. I promise I don't look like this in every single video. This is actually ready. This is the first video that I'm actually looking like this. I curled my hair. I pinned my curls to preserve them for a little bit later. I will be doing like a mini, hopefully, photo shoot if everything will work out with my own setup after I will be done working on it. I've been working with balloons for 2 years, and this is the first time I'm actually doing this. So I will be wearing this dress that's behind me. I will be letting my curls down, and I'll have fun. So today I am working with lots of white. I am working with probably a little bit of light pink, a little bit of blush maybe here and there, and blooming tree. I am super excited about this blooming tree. I am going to my brother's house. I will load everything into my car. I will take several trips. Good thing we don't live too far, and it's gonna be super fast and easy to do to transport everything. I am using a whole bunch of cool things. I will link and list everything in the description under this video, and also I am working with only Qualitix balloons today. I will explain everything as we go throughout the video. Mostly this video will be as a voiceover. Let me know if you like voiceover videos, because I am starting to enjoy them. It's a lot faster for me, and I can focus more on how to explain certain things when I'm doing a voiceover later. Alrighty guys, without any further ado, let me show you what I'm using. Let's prep our balloons and transport everything. Let's go. Quickly go through everything that I am planning to take with me. I have a whole bunch of vases with pillar candles. I have the lighter, plates, champagne glasses. I have chargers behind this box. I have some Christmas lights, crystals, more vases. I have my portable, foldable table. I don't know if I will be taking this, we'll see. I have my beautiful fabric. It's looking kind of like petals. Love it. Of course, my dress, shoes, this crystal chandelier. I have a whole bunch of white Qualitix balloons in different sizes, 5, 11, 16, and I believe 17 BSA inch balloons. They can stretch larger than 16, 17 inch, so I am planning to use those for bigger size balloons. I have my florals. I also have underneath more greenery. I have my gold utensils, my napkins, foam, and I'm still waiting for a vase that should come any minute. And yeah, basically this is all I'm taking. More stuff. This is my suitcase that I am bringing with me, with glue dashes, with extension cords, with balloon pump, safety pins, fishing line, 260s balloons, rubber bands, everything that I would need to construct a balloon garland. I am bringing a bag, and I feel like I want to inflate my balloons on a spot rather than inflate them here and then transport. So we'll just go with all of this. Let's go pack and transport everything there. So I arrived, time to unload. I'm not going to show you how I will unload. I'll jump straight to showing you where I will be constructing everything, and straight to construction. This is the tree that I will be filming next to. They have such a cute deck. Obviously it's not ready yet for summer. They have every single year they have hanging baskets here, and it looks so beautiful. Also lights, and it's so cozy in the evenings. But this is my spot over here. I am excited to work with this tree. I will be putting balloons between the branches, and hopefully even higher. Maybe, I don't know, higher where, right? All right, let's go inflate our balloons. I
am grabbing two 11-inch balloons and inflating them into different sizes. To give your balloons more rounder shape, you can press them against yourself. Then I am grabbing those two single balloons and tying them really close together to have really nice and stretchy necks. Inflating more balloons. This time I am using 17-inch PSA balloon and 11-inch, tying them together. Once I have two pairs of balloons, I am intertwining everything together to create a quad like this. Inflating my third pair of balloons into different sizes and adding into this quad that I had. Quad is 4 balloons together. Now adding another pair of balloons, I created a smaller cluster of balloons. Adding fourth pair of balloons into this smaller cluster, and now I created a bigger cluster of balloons. Bigger clusters of balloons will help you fill a large space faster, and your balloon garland will look much more voluminous and beautiful. After I have my clusters constructed, I am using a white large bag, I will link it in the description under this video, to prevent my balloons flying into different directions and preventing my balloons getting stuff on them, because static is real. Once I have enough balloons for the base of my balloon garland, I am reaching inside of each cluster and finding those long, stretchy necks of balloons and tying them together. I like to work in sections, and here I have a section that I am attaching to a tree with a fishing line. And afterwards, I am starting to attach extra clusters of balloons by tying necks of balloons together, extending my balloon garland, working on the fullness, working on the shape of it. Just keep on adding. Also, I didn't really want to hide the branches of a tree that much. I wanted to keep the tree in the picture and not swallow the tree with my balloons. So be mindful of that. Chasing some balloons like usual, they were flying everywhere. I am attaching more balloons with fishing line to my tree.
Back home to pick up the kids from school. It's that time of the day, and I'll grab, oh, it's so dusty. I'll grab a vase that's supposed to come right now for my flowers, and I'll be finishing up with the centerpiece. The package that I've been waiting for is here. Let's unpack and see how that vase will look like. Here it is, you guys. It's a gold mirror vase. It's looking very cute. I am excited to see how flowers will look in it. Nicole's here. Nicole, say hi.
Oh, hi.
Kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty.
Once I was done working on a tree, I moved on to the bush. I was attaching my balloons with fishing line to the branches for an amazing extension of my balloon garland. Using rubber bands to attach some of the clusters, I literally just loop my rubber band around balloons and ready to loop on my balloon garland. I didn't want to use a lot of 5-inch balloons, just to add a little bit of detail into the balloon garland, and 5-inch balloons are super good for that. Decided to make 2 smaller balloon garlands for those walls of the deck because I thought they were looking a little bare.
Ой, отам шарики, шарики. Тетя Настя, шарики. Шарики.
Okay, I feel like balloon portion is looking very, very good. I love what I see. I like all of those 5-inch balloons that I added. Not too many, but here and there to kind of bring a little bit more detail into all of this. Now I am going to construct my centerpiece, so let's go.
By all means, I'm not a florist, I'm just enjoying working with flowers, starting out with a block of foam and greenery, then used larger flowers like hydrangeas, inserted roses higher than hydrangeas to give different height and levels of flowers, finished up with more greenery, and it looks beautiful. Adding Christmas lights on a bush to give the setup more of a romantic and enchanting look. To attach this beauty, I wrapped the chain from the chandelier around the branch, and it holds very well. This is my favorite part of all setups, adding details. I decided to use cylinder glass vases, pillar candles, and scattered them all over the setup. Added extra flowers. I simply pressed them between my balloons and they hold very well. This centerpiece that I just made fits in here like a glove. Also decided to close this gap between my garlands, relocated this balloon garland, and here's the final result.
Done. My sister-in-law was helping me taking pictures and helping with her advice. This is so beautiful, straight out of fairy tale, honestly. Like these candles and the lights. Let me go closer. I just put Christmas lights on this bush, which this bush my sister-in-law wanted to get rid of before I started filming, but it actually works here really, really well. All these candles, you guys, I am obsessed, honestly. I added 2 up lightings, and there's another one behind, a whole bunch of wires behind as well. These flowers in my balloon garlands, I bought them from Amazon. I will link and list everything that I used in the description under this video, or as much as I can find online and link it for you guys. This chandelier, I used to use these chandeliers for my wedding decorations. As you can see, they missing a few crystals here and there because they fell during the wedding. That's another story, don't ask. Maybe I'll tell a story later someday. But anyways, look how beautiful uplighting makes this balloon garland, like this side of it. Like it's, I just can't. I have no idea how many balloons I used. I can give you an approximate amount of balloons. I was just blowing balloons until I was completely happy with what I see. I added these 2 garlands last second and they fit in here super well. I used about 130 11-inch balloons, almost the full bag of 17-inch BSA balloons, a few 5-inch balloons, literally like half the bag, and that's about it. Alright, you guys, this is it. This is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this setup. This is literally straight up fairy tale. I am obsessed. Thank you so much to my sister-in-law, to my brother for letting me in and film with their beautiful tree. If you like this video, if this video was enjoyable and inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. They always help. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below. I will try my best to help you out as soon as I can. And if you're new here, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down below for more amazing setups. So I hope all of you will have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye. That's a wrap. She said it. No. That's a wrap.
Stand and twirl.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that'll be pretty.
Stand and twirl?
Twirl! Twirl! Dude, why does everyone keep ruining our shots?